Hey,
Hey, is it here?
it's here.
Is it here? Oh man, where is it?
Guess what?
Oh, sweet. Thought yours was gonna come first.
I know, I did too. I was totally ready for my unboxing.
Oh well, we'll do your unboxing too.
Awesome.
Look at this. We've got the Blackfin from iRocker, the Blackfin X. Can't wait to do this. This is not only our first inflatable stand-up paddleboard unboxing video. This is our first unboxing video at all. So this thing looks pretty heavy. I'm gonna carry this out to the backyard and then we'll unbox it.
Sounds like a plan.
Good.
All right.
Okay, so here we are getting ready to unbox the Blackfin Model X. It is according to the stats, it is a 10-foot 6-inch SUP board package, paddle, pump, leash, and bag. This is the teal color, so we're excited about this. My very first stand-up paddleboard. It did come. I bought the optional iRocker kayak conversion kit, so that'll be useful for those times when I either prove myself to be unbalanced or just want to sit down while we're paddleboarding. Of course, this is all part of our new paddleboard experience. Morgan and I are both getting paddleboards. She is awaiting hers, and so I'm going to start unboxing mine. Of course, again, like I said before, this is our first unboxing video, and I'm pretty excited to be doing this. We'll see how it goes. I want to do this carefully because this is an inflatable stand-up paddleboard and I don't want to cut it. That would be, can you imagine how bad that would be if I like cut a hole in my new stand-up paddleboard while I'm unboxing it? That would be a nightmare. I actually just had a little bit of a daydream that while we were here that like some porcupine walks into the yard while it's inflated or something like that. Wouldn't that be awful? Anyway, so here it is. It says, Morgan, come show this. It says, give me the GoPro. The adventure that you have been waiting for is finally here. Been waiting for it for about 4 days. I'll say that iRocker and Blackfin, they did a good job of getting this on the road. Although I will say I was a little freaked out because all of the notifications about shipping were going to Morgan's spam folder. So we didn't know if they'd shipped it yet or anything like that. But as they say, the adventure that we have been waiting for is finally here. And there we go. Let's see what we've got. We've got the Blackfin paddle. I bet you that's the center paddle. Fin, excuse me, that's a fin. It says right there, Blackfin. I should have known that. Must read before first use. Well, I'm not going to use it today, so I'll read that later. A little Blackfin fin, and a spare clip, it says. Got a spare clip. Explore and connect. It's a warranty registration card. Need to fill that out. I'm one of those guys that always forgets to fill out the warranty registration card, so Morgan always remembers for me. Okay, here we go. Here's the paddle. We'll unpackage that in just a second. It's already looking pretty cool though. It's carbon fiber, which I love. I actually have a, what?
It just blacked out.
No. I actually have a carbon fiber guitar. I'm a big fan of all things carbon fiber right now. I have a Rain Song carbon fiber guitar and I love it. And again, there it is, Blackfin. I know that they are proud of everything they make because they put their name on everything. So, okay, so there's the paddle. We'll be unbagging that in a second. And then, ooh, here we go. Ooh, look, the repair kit, the Blackfin repair kit. That's gonna be hopefully never used. And then we have, looks like the leash, the 10-foot Blackfin leash. And this one has like a little secret key compartment, which it's so secret I can't find it yet. So we'll look at that in just a moment. We have the dual action, or the dual chamber triple action pump here. And that's really cool. It's a full throttle pump. You know what, I might as well go ahead and unbag this. So, you know, this pump is actually pretty slick. This is pretty nice looking. Maybe the nicest pump I've ever had. Check that out. It's got the variable speeds on the back so that you You start with 1, you go to 2, and then by 3, when the pressure's really getting high, it makes it a little bit easier. It's that dual chamber pump, dual action pump. So it pumps on both the up and down until you switch it to the position 3 over here. But that's gonna be great gauge on the top. And of course, here's the hose that goes with it. Okay, here's another exciting thing for me. I'm about to unpack the carry bag, the carry pack. I'm a big luggage guy. I love to travel, and so I like luggage. I think it's pretty cool. And so here it is. This is one of the big things that comes with it. And wow, this thing is substantial. Check it out. It's got the really nice off-road wheels. You know, so in case you go 4-wheeling with your paddleboard bag. But man, this is high quality. Oh yeah. Oh wait, there are a few more things. Got another fin, a third fin, and another spare clip. But the thing I seem to have been most excited about, it came with stickers. I love stickers. And now, for the grand finale, the grand prize, the Blackfin XL model, Model X, not XL, the Blackfin Model X itself. Here we go, starting to become visible. Ooh, look at that. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Taking off the giant plastic wrapper. Like a huge piece of candy. Move all this stuff really quickly. Unrolling it. Oh, it's a thing of beauty. Look at this. We are going to have many, many adventures, my friend. Check this out. Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, the Blackfin Model X. I'm assuming they sent me the right one. I don't care, I love this one. But check it out. Yes, the Model X right here. Long, nice long foot pad, bungees. Look at all these attachments. Look at this. There's the kayak seat attachments. I haven't opened the kayak seat yet. I'll do that in just a second. The kayak seat attachments. You've got the attachments here for various Scotty mounts and things like that. You've got all kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 camera mounts there. You've got, let's see, I thought there was one up here. Oh, here, camera mounts here and here. I mean, you've got, I mean, you can attach anything to this. You've got the Blackfin logo embossed in the entire pad. So they are very, very proud of their product. They have put their label on everything. You've got the shoulder mount strap, the kayak strap. It is all good. It is all here. The last thing I want to put together as we unbox this is the paddle. Because you don't ever want to be up a creek without one of these things. Sorry, that was dad joke. Dad joke. Not a bad joke, but a dad joke. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Very nice. So, in my pre-reading the instruction novice way of doing things, I'm going to put this together. Nice fit there. And then I watched enough videos on this, I should know how to do this. But apparently I don't. Let's see. So it's got an interesting little ring lock. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I'm not sure that's the greatest design. Interesting little ring lock you pull off. A nice. Okay, and then that just slides in, and then there you go. It just clamps back on, and voila, paddleboard paddle. I think everything about this is carbon fiber. This feels more like nylon or rubber or plastic. I have to look into that. But boy, I couldn't be happier with this shaft. Like I said, I'm a big fan of carbon fiber. Just looking at this board, it just looks really well put together. It's very nice. You know, one thing that's really cool about the black fins, and one of the things that I really liked, it again, my obsession with carbon fiber, is you can see in these rails, on the side rails, there is a carbon fiber rib to give this board extra stiffness. And I think this thing is rated for something like 450 pounds, which gives you plenty of headroom for coolers, for an additional passenger, for any kind of gear you would want to take camping and stuff like that. I mean, honestly, probably more than my kayak would probably hold. But plus, you know, the other nice thing about this is how roomy it's going to be. There's plenty of room to almost walk around on this thing. So, I mean, you look at it, 10 feet, 6 inches. I mean, that's plenty of space. I mean, this is a huge cargo area here. And there's also a big cargo area back here. Let me finish taking this off. Huge cargo area back here. And it is, I mean, it is just really, really good space.
How's it feel?
It's gonna be a while. It is filling up, okay. Okay, I just spent, what?
Just under 10 minutes.
Just under 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, just under 10 minutes to get it to about 15 PSI. So for the purposes of this unboxing video, I'm not gonna take it all the way to the full 18 PSI, which is where it's top rated, which is probably what I would paddle with it on, but I'm already sweaty. It's a workout, but that wasn't bad. But I am gonna do the last bit of the unboxing and open up the kayak conversion kit, which I think is gonna be awesome. Kayak conversion kit, I should say, which comes in 2 parts. It is first a chair, as we like to call it in the water sports industry, a seat, and then the paddle conversion extension, which converts my newly awesome blackfin paddle to a double-bladed kayak paddle. But you get the gist. This is basically how it's going to look when I'm kayaking around on on paddleboard comfort. That is the unboxing of the Blackfin Model X. It's going to be great. It's going to be fun. Morgan should get her new paddleboard any day now, and this is going to be great. We're looking forward to some new adventures with all this. So thanks a lot, and we'll see you later. Okay, everybody, here we are, Bob and Morgan getting out once again, and we are going on a secret getaway early, late afternoon adventure. Today we are going to do a shakedown run, learn how to do it, float on our new paddle boards. You've seen the unboxing video that I did, and we're just gonna go try them out. Turned out that it's a late Tuesday afternoon and it is 97 degrees here in San Antonio. So we decided to get out and try these bad boys on for size. So here we are. You can see that it is crazy. We're trying to beat the traffic out to the lake so we can get in a little bit of sunlight, a little bit of paddling. But this happened really fast. It was a quick turnaround of about a 45-minute decision. So we should be there soon. We will let you know what happens.
All right, so here we are out on the boards. I wasn't able to do a full unboxing on mine, but we brought them out to try them out for the first time. They are awesome. I have the Boat, B-O-T-E Flood. It's got bungees in the front for all my gear. It's got bungees in the back for all my other gear. It's got a great paddle that's in 3 parts, that's fully adjustable, which has been awesome. I've changed it a couple times based on what I'm feeling works best. The only thing I don't have yet, that doesn't come with a leash. So I've got a makeshift leash for now. I'm going to get a bungee leash coming in on Wednesday. So that'll be a change. And otherwise the board is awesome. It's going to be a little bit of a learning curve to figure out how to really stay balanced and feel comfortable, but we're going to get a great workout. We're going to take them all sorts of places and have all sorts of fun. So glad we got the paddle boards. SUP!